All right, guys, are you ready to make a fortune in the crypto market? Because the bottom is in and the bull run is about to begin. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you the truth behind crypto market and show you how the bottom is in and how, most importantly, how you can take advantage of this opportunity to make money. So if you're ready to learn how to profit in the upcoming bull market, make sure to stick around until the very end of this video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you the current market conditions, specifically focusing on the performance of Bitcoin, what I see in the future. And I'll be showing you the big picture of Bitcoin and its performance over the years and how it's behaving now. So we're going to go back in time. As you all know, the crypto market has been in a bearish phase during this time. And we can see that we've been going down. And its value has dropped significantly in the past few months. However, it's important to understand that this is not the first time that we've seen this happen. Okay, so if we look back in 2015, which is right here, if we look back at the history, we can see a similar pattern that's happened in April of 2015. Bitcoin reached the bottom, which was here. And what happened after then is we entered a period of consolidation, okay? And before the start of the next bull market run, all right? And so this is the same pattern that is happening right now. If we go here, this is the same pattern that's happening right here again. We are seeing exactly the same pattern. In fact, if you look at this here, this is the pattern of 2015. And we can see pretty much that is the same kind. The crypto market, it is in a cyclical, and we are currently in a consolidation phase. And this is the natural part of the market cycle. It's important to understand that this is a normal occurrence. During this time, we can expect to see a period of relatively stable prices, okay, as market adjusts to the new conditions, just as we did in 2015 here. So based on the historical data of the current market conditions, okay, sorry about that. What we can see, okay, is that the bottom is already in and we're now about to enter consolidation phase. Now, you might have doubt that the bottom is in, and I get that. So let me show you some evidence why I think. The first one is that this is the weekly candles we're looking at, and we can see that if we make this bigger, we rarely go on the weekly RSI below 30. So the RSI is a technical indicator that measures the strength of the Bitcoin price action. It compares the magnitude of the recent gains to the recent losses in an attempt to determine overbought and oversold conditions of an asset. And in the value of 70 and above here, it means that it's overbought. While in a value of 30 and below, it means it's oversold. And we are clearly in an oversold on a weekly. Again, if you go back, this rarely happens. This has happened in a previous bear market here, in the previous bear market there in 2015. You can see it only happens in a bear market. And clearly that has already occurred. You can see that very, very clearly. So when we look at the weekly RSI of Bitcoin, we can clearly see that it went below the oversold area, which is a strong indication that the bottom is in. This has rarely happened with Bitcoin, but it is just happening again. This is a bullish signal that the market is ready for a rebound, like we are seeing right here. So in the last segment, we discussed the first tool we can use to see that the bottom is in is the weekly RSI. Now let's move on and second evidence that the bottom is in, and that's the inflation. Inflation is an important economic indicator that measures the rate of which the general price of goods and services is rising. High inflation can be a sign of a strong economy, but it can also lead to a decrease in the value of money. When we look at inflation data, we can clearly see that it has peaked, okay, right here. And we are now experiencing a drop inflation month to month according to Truflation, which is a reliable source of predicting Fed inflation numbers. And we can see now that we are at 5.5%, which is really good. Inflation has a direct impact on the crypto market as it can affect the value of money. And with decrease in inflation, we're seeing an increase in value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The third thing we want to look at is the fund rate. According to market predictions, the fund rate is expected to rise by only 25 basis points, which is a very small increase. This is an indication that a pivot is coming and that we can expect to see a change in market condition. Additionally, we can see that the S&P 500 has been trying to break out of the resistant line, which is another indication that a change is coming. When the S&P 500 breaks that resistant line, we can see we have many connecting points here, right? When it does break out of that resistant line, we should expect a massive surge, especially if we go over that red line. That will mean that the bear market is over. Now, let's move on how we can profit in this bull run, right? Because that's why we're here. There's two ways to profit in this bull run. One is to wait for a reversal. And I've got this pattern here for you. That's where we are right now. I expect it to go back down, okay? And if that happens, then it will be a great opportunity for you to buy. The other way is to wait for a breakout in the S&P 500 and then buy. So that would be two ways to make money in this bull market. Okay, so if you choose to wait for the reversal, this is an ideal scenario because we can buy it at much cheaper price. So this approach is known as buying the dip, right? So we could have bought it there, but if you missed it, I believe we'll get another chance because it happened here, right? That was the bottom, and then it went up, hit the resistance, went back down, and then we had a second chance to buy it here. Now, true that this will be probably higher than what we could have bought it here, but we'll still get a chance to get a dip. So you DCA as it goes down here, yeah? All right, guys, so in conclusion, okay, I believe the bottom is in, and we are now entering a phase of a market cycle, the bull market, and we have looked at three tools that we can use. One is the RSI and the weekly candles, right? We have looked into the inflation that's going down, and we looked also to the prediction of a 25 basis point, which is definitely going to happen according to that. So this will be a great opportunity for you to make money. And if you're looking for more tools and strategies to profit in the bull run, I highly recommend that you check out Pay to Trade. So Pay to Trade is a members-based platform that provides valuable insights and analysis on the crypto market. It's just $50 a month, and it's excellent investment to help you stay ahead of the market and make profitable trades. All right, if you found this video informative and helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to my channel so that we can continue to making content like this about the market analysis, trading strategies. Your support means a lot to me, and it helps me to create more content for you. Bye for now.